Now that you have registered with the Exchange, we can log in for the first time. Click Login. Enter your email and password, the same as you use for My Rotary. And this brings us to the Exchange portal or the administrative page. This page is not viewable by the general public. It is only viewable and accessible to registered logged in users. Let's establish the club's website. We've not done that yet, so we can click Establish Club's website. Provide a name. Assign name. The usual OKs. And now instead of Establish Club website, we have the choice to edit the club website. So let's click Edit. Now this is the club's brand new website. Notice it already has information from Rotary International's database. Off to the left is the club weekly meeting venue right here, followed by the club officers in this area, and the contact information for the club over here. To the right is the automatic news feed from Rotary International. You can place your mouse over these different items. And most importantly are the editable areas, the areas where you can add your own content. Here, 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 and the heading section up here. Notice these areas are outlined in a dashed gray border. Let's get started. I click in an editable area, or the heading area right here, and notice a toolbar appears as well as the Save button. Let's change the color of the text to be gold. Type in the name of our website. Highlight the text and change the size from normal to a heading section. Click Save. Let's add some information in this editable area. Let's add some text. And to insert an image, we click where we want the image to be inserted. So I click right here. And the image will be inserted right at that blinking cursor. The image tool. Upload. Send to the server. While the ratio lock is locked, it looks like a locked padlock, I can change the width. I'll change it to 225. And notice as I do this, the system will proportionally adjust the height. I want to send or set the photograph off to the left, and by doing this, the text will wrap up from below it and around to the right. And there's the text. Notice the text is right up against the picture, and I don't want that. I want to have a buffer between the picture and the text. So in the horizontal space, or the H-space box, I'll add 10 for 10 pixels. That looks good. And click OK to insert it into the website. And there it is. I can add more text below. And let's take this word, select it or highlight it, and turn it into a link. Link toolbar. In this case, I'm going to upload a PDF file, send it to the server, and it fills in the URL or the address of what we just uploaded. And additionally, we can set the target so it opens in a new window. So I select a new window and click OK. Click in the area. I might make an adjustment to make more space between the paragraphs and click Save. We can add more stuff here. Make this text red. Make this text blue. Change that to a better red. There, I like that. Click Save. And also, we can add a Facebook page, if we have a Facebook page. We do. So I'm going to click Help, which has lots of good information for you and has some instructions on additional options you might have. And so let's add a Facebook page. All you do is type in the web address of the Facebook page. In this case, I'll use the Rotary one. Hopefully I typed that in correctly. I click Submit, and it accepted it. And now see the Facebook page has been inserted from Rotary International. Let's do a few more things. We'll get out of here by clicking to the Exchange. Let's post a few articles to the website. This is an easy way to post articles. We're going to first get a picture. Give the article a name. Add some text. Format some text. In this case, let's make that red just to make the point. Let's bold it. And click Submit. Let's just add another article called Test. Add some text and submit. Okay, let's go back to Exchange and let's add a calendar event or a dated event. And these events, you can include a date range where it is to appear. So what's the start date for when it's to appear? I double click in there and I'm going to start it from today and have it run through the 20th with an actual event date of the 20th. I can click here, in which case all the clubs in the district will get a copy of this this calendar entry, or any club within these miles, or just my club only. So I'm going to have my club only. You can upload a picture optionally. And there's Alfred. We can put a link in there if we want. The subject, in this case, it would be Alfred E. Newman. Put more text. You can't really do much with this text. Just type it in. It's meant to be simple. We'll click OK or Submit. And finally, let's go back and see what the website looks like. Now, we're not going to edit the website anymore. Let's look at it just the way anybody else browsing the website would see. So we click this handy link. And here's our website with all that we've done. We posted Betty Davis. You see? Here's our other post. After 4 or 5, the older ones will start appearing just simply as links up in this section so it doesn't get too cluttered in the main body. In our calendar event, we added the Alfred E. Newman one. You can click here to see more. Here's the text. It's a mad world. There's Alfred E. Newman. And there you have it.